Somebody commented on one of my videos saying that he'd rather hear my voice than the AI voice. So I think a word of explanation is in order. So, as many of you may know, because I've been asking people for voluntary contributions towards my various eye treatments, I am a visually impaired person with low vision. So if I do make a video with my voice, I have to speak off the cuff. But that doesn't work when I have something long or precise to write about because I can't read aloud. If I try to read aloud because of my low vision, it's very halting and hesitant and has full of starts and stops. So it sounds very spaz, very cha-cha lah. So if you hear my voice, it's me talking off the cuff. But if I have a script, I can't read it. Well, I can read it silently to myself, but if I try to read it aloud, it's very apa ni, stop and start lah. Very like not to say stuttering, but halting. So for your listening pleasure, and accuracy as well, so that I don't skip out anything, I use an AI to read my script. AI voice. Normally, I use ChatGPT. Because Grok has some technical issues, you can't do a video capture of Grok's voice. It doesn't work because of the way they implement their text-to-speech feature. Okay, so I hope that explains. And whilst I'm on the topic, I've written almost 100 books. Actually, it was a race against time to put all my knowledge down on paper before my vision deteriorates at the point that I can't write anymore. So I've put them all in the public domain so that it can benefit the world. And if you wish to support my work, you can share the books far and wide. You'll never know who needs that information to help them along their path. And also, if you wish to support my work, you can make a small donation, no more than 5% of your monthly income. And the information is in the video description. There's a link to a QR code that you can scan to make a donation, or you can click on a link to Telegram where I put my banking details, because YouTube doesn't allow personal identifiable information to be posted in compliance to the Personal Data Protection Act 2010, I think. So that's that. And also, as a visually impaired person, I'm exempt from copyright infringement by virtue of the Marrakesh Visually Impaired Person VIP Treaty 2013. So I have the right to import, export, reformat, edit, and modify copyrighted work without permission or reference to the copyright owner. This applies to all visually impaired persons throughout the world. But in Malaysia, when they debated the amendments to the Copyright Act and the Printing Presses and Publications Act, they decided to extend the exemption to all OKU and their caregivers. Okay, so that's something many people are not aware. Okay, so that's a word of explanation that I wanted to let people know why I don't, what do you call it, read things so that not so that I don't want you to hear my voice, just that it sounds very cha-cha when I try to read a script. But when I do speak on a video, it'll be off the cuff because of the issues with my low vision lah. Okay, I hope this explains.
It lights the way for others wandering through despair to feel the warmth of selfless care. You've shown what love in action means, in quiet ways through giving scenes. You've built a bridge from soul to soul and made the broken feel more whole. So let this thanks rise like a song, a melody both soft and strong. May your example gently call more hearts to rise to give. To fall into the joy of lifting pain, of planting hope where none remains. Your kindness walks beside me still, a light, a love, a living will.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.
A heartfelt light to every soul whose hand did give. You've helped me dream, helped me live. In darkest hours your light came through, with hearts so kind, so pure, so true. Your gifts, like stars in deepest night, have steered me gently toward the light. Each coin, each word, each silent prayer, a thread of hope so rich, so rare. My eyes once dimmed now seek the skies, and slowly clearer visions rise. Because of you, I dare to see the world again, its grace, its plea. Your compassion's flame will not just stay with me alone. It lights the way for others wandering through despair to feel the warmth of selfless care. You've shown what love in action means, in quiet ways through giving scenes. You've built a bridge from soul to soul and made the broken feel more whole. So let this thanks rise like a song, a melody both soft and strong. May your example gently call more hearts to rise to give. To fall into the joy of lifting pain, of planting hope where none remains. Your kindness walks beside me still, a light, a love, a living will.
forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.